Okay, so here we are again in another video, and today we're gonna start with EU. As you can see, pushing hard to the upside, previous weekly high plus previous daily high. So interesting day. Okay, well, first of all, I wasn't expecting this movement really. Maybe there's something to the left. So yeah, I don't know if it's gonna react there, but for me, all this liquidity and this huge move to the upside, I think tomorrow we can have a move to the downside. I'm not sure, but I think it's possible. Okay, so first of all, we had this H1 BOS to the downside here, inducing sellers. What I didn't really like was those wicks. Okay, because I thought that buyers were entering, so yeah, maybe they wanted to induce them, and well, it is what it is. So well, pretty difficult EU today. We had this breakup structure on H1 or this one. I'm not sure which one. I think this one. This was the relevant liquidity on M5 that broke that. And here we had the relevant liquidity that broke this structure, so we had this reaction, breakup structure to the downside, inducing sellers, and it took this low here, breakup structure, and this is probably relevant liquidity on M5 with Asia low, okay, and then as you can see, we got a perfect breakup structure on M5 and relevant liquidity on M5 taken to keep pushing to the upside. Okay, so pretty interesting trade here. Huge candle, but it looks good. Okay, so yeah, I know it's a huge candle, but probably yeah, 1 to 4. So maybe this would have been a good trade. I don't think I would have entered here because I was thinking about sells, not buys. But yeah, this looked pretty well. Okay. Then GU, as you can see, it's not as strong as EU. So yeah, we had this huge push to the upside. We broke a structure here, and we broke a structure again and again. So it's not taking liquidity to the upside, and this is all like clear liquidity. Okay, so I think at some point it's going to go to the upside, but I'm not sure about it. At least I think it's going to take some liquidity on each one. Now we had a breakup structure here. So my analysis was that we had this break to the downside, and at least we would take relevant liquidity in M5, and why not previous daily high. I didn't trade this morning because I had to go to the doctor, but I saw this reaction here, and I didn't think about trading here with the wicks and everything, so yeah, nothing for me. And then we took this previous daily low, and yeah, no trades. I didn't even look at GU because I didn't like it in that moment, but yeah, it took the previous daily low and then moved to the upside. Okay, I think no entries here. Okay, so well, nothing at all, nothing relevant at least, but this is a huge liquidity. Okay, and seeing EU pushing that hard, you don't usually see that the correlation. I don't know if it's called like that, but yeah, between both of them. Okay, so yeah, and then USD CHF. No, yes, well, yes, but I'll show it right now. USD JPY. I'm still waiting for this previous weekly low from last week and that relevant liquidity on H1, and here we have relevant liquidity, sorry, previous weekly low again. So here we have a lot of liquidity. As you can see, it's not breaking it, it's just inducing buyers to enter to have more liquidity. And I'm not trading that, so you can see. It's true that here we had previous daily low, liquidity and M5, but I don't feel comfortable, okay, with this right now with this pair, so I'm not trading it. USD CAD. Opa. Okay, so USD CAD, I had these drawings from last week. We broke a structure here. This is relevant liquidity on H1 probably, or maybe this one, as it broke this structure. So now the relevant liquidity on H1 was here and here because it broke the structure. It took that last week, and this week it went to take this previous daily low and previous weekly low, but I think it created equals. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, I think it didn't take that. I don't think so. So maybe tomorrow we can look for a sell if it doesn't take that. But it's looking like USD is preparing for a movement to the upside. I don't know. USD JPY has to take a lot of things. Yeah. I'm not sure about that. I don't think it's going to. I don't know. I don't trade the higher time frame, but here we can see a reaction. Okay, probably. And then finally, USD Today I had a TP. Last week I had 3 stop losses here, so today I had to have a TP. Well, I had no, but like in this pair, it was good to have a TP. So my first idea was that as I had these stop losses here, taking these weeks, we had this clear break to the downside, break of structure to the upside, and I was expecting a reaction here. Okay, after taking this week and running with F5, let me show you. So it's true that here we had the previous weekly low and previous okay, let's find here. Okay, so it's true that we had this clear liquidity here and maybe two clear break of structure, but after seeing this round liquidity and all these reactions, we had this break. It didn't take the high, the round liquidity on 5. So after taking this low again, and breaker and structure on M5 with this clear break, well, like with these clean candles, I just feel good about entering here. And yeah, we had a TP. I closed all the trade here. Okay, so it's like 341 more or less, but I held okay, closing it that, and my account was 91,990, and now it's 93,100 more or less. And well, and finally, I don't know how to work, but in the end it took this previous weekly low and previous daily low, and I'm not sure if it's going to to reverse at some point. But yeah, it looks pretty downtrend here. Okay, so yeah, I don't know why I look at higher time frame because I don't care, but we had a TP, so I'm happy about that. And, well, I hope you like it, and see you tomorrow.